How to use Grubhub gift card or how to redeem Grubhub gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can use your Grubhub gift card whether on the web or on the application itself. Well, here I'm showing you on the web, but if you are on the application, you want to tap on the profile icon that you'll find there on your screen. If you are on the web, you can see it right here at the top right corner. You can tap on it and here you should get these options. Here you can see the option that says gift cards. You can simply tap on gift cards option. If you are on the application, first tap on profile there and you should be able to see the gift cards option. Now you can see here, I don't have any gift card, but you can see here option that is popping up that says redeem a gift card, and you can see add a new gift card option as well. You can tap on it there and you can enter in your gift card code, tap on add to my account, go through prompts, and you're good to go. So this is how you can use Grubhub gift card. Once you redeem it, you can use it on your next order. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.